how to make a special request for our stay on hotels.com. Hi everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with the method for that during the booking process or after we have already booked. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So while booking the hotel, first of all, let's head over to hotels.com right here and we can search for our hotel. Click on search to find the specific hotel that we would like to reserve. And once we head over to the hotel, we can look out for our booking section. So search for your hotel, select up a room. For example, let's say this is the room and click on reserve and go on with the process. Now on the booking or the checkout page, we can look out for a section or in our right hand side. So in this checkout page, we can look out for special request or add a special request, something like that, such kind of option. Here we go. So we can just go and click on this option right here. And in this, box appears on our right hand side. So in this section, we can just go over and type in a request in the box. After that, we can select how many bedding requests. After that, we can just go and click on save and we can complete a booking once we have added the special or accessibility request. We can add different kind of requests such as early check-in or late checkout, high floor room, non-smoking room, etc. And hotels will try to accommodate requests, but they are not guaranteed. And that's it. Otherwise, you can also contact the hotel directly using the phone number listed in the booking itself and ask them to add the request. But usually this is how you should be doing it formally. So that's it everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.